Hey, buddy's let me try out this is a factory gun, right? Factory Tavor in 9mm. It's not a conversion kit. I've never had any interest in a Tavor, but it does intrigue me in 9mm. I know nothing about them. I don't know how they shoot. I apparently can't even know how to lock the bolt in. We need to lock the bolt back first, even.
I have never shot it.
That's the mag release, Scott.
Okay, where's the bolt lock?
May I?
Yes, you may. Keep it rolling there. Show that I don't know nothing about these guns.
Right,
Oh, no, nothing.
This is your bolt catch right here. Right there. Insert the magazine.
All right, well, I'll do that on film. I don't want to do a live gun with
Good thing.
multiple people. All right, Stan just showed you what an idiot I am when it comes to Tavors. Look at that. Like magic.
Perfect. Mazel tov.
All right, it says F. So I'm thinking it might be hot. We'll give it a whirl. Is this thing sighted in?
Nope.
Not even close. I can't pick the sight up hardly at all. You need to put a riser on it. Okay. I shot enough to get an opinion. Come out from behind the camera and pick this up, David.
Okay.
And I will get behind the camera. Good to go.
Okie dokie.
Leave it up for Stan to try.
Is that gun?
Let Stan try.
Oh, I thought there was another mag.
No, it was only, I couldn't find the other mag.
All right, here we go.
Weapon safe.
Land frame.
Yep. All right, we'll give you a review when we... Hi, this is the second season, or second video that we did where I don't own the gun. This one's on the Tavor. You've already watched the shooting of the Tavor, and here's my Tavor stand-in. It looks remarkably like a Strybog stand-in, but either way, what did you think of it, Stan?
It was okay. I think you can definitely tell the gun was made originally as a 5.56, and they just kind of scaled that down. Wasn't a big fan of the ergonomics. Suppose it's something you get used to, but yeah, it was okay.
I think it's kind of nifty. The trigger left something to be desired, and I haven't got to fire a 223 or a 5.56 version yet. I do think that'd be a cool toy. I think at the price point, it's a little much. I do want one. IWI, I feel like doing a mitzvah right here. But you know, it's cool. My biggest issue with it is I feel like when you're on patrol carrying it, the way the ergonomics are, it kind of naturally inclines you to flag all your buddies. It's kind of
Would you patrol with a 9mm though?
Well, not with the 9mm, with the
that's
5.56. I was thinking about the platform.
But
there.
as the 9mm.
The 9mm, I mean, as a range toy, yeah, it's pretty cool, definitely.
For me, it was a big no. Or I thought the ergonomics sucked. I did like it to use Colt magazines, but for what it cost and everything else, I'd rather have a 9mm AR. I really would. Or to be truthful, I think the Strybog completely outshined it. Way better ergonomics, much lighter, much more, because the Strybog has kind of similar to the AR-15 controls, much more user-friendly for an American instead of reaching back here. Now, don't get me wrong, I have Styrogs, and I like them. I'm not a fan of the Tavor, but I like the AUG. It was neat to shoot it. I'd never own one. If they were a $400 gun, I'd own one. But they're what, $1,500, $1,800?
Yeah. About that.
No way. I'd buy 2 Strybogs.
Yeah.
Or in my case, 2 Strybogs and a conversion kit. My manufacturer's license.
Yeah.
Either way, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for coming again. Oh, I keep forgetting to say it. Hit the like, subscribe, YouTube blow me button. Thanks again.